Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I was just enjoying my favorite meal, toast and wine gums. Today we're going to be making my favorite meal, which is my own recipe, which I like to call Pasta Primavera. Okay, let's get started. So what we're going to want to do is fill this pot up with some water. Sorry that my kitchen's a little messy. I was making some food earlier. Okay. So we're just going to want to fill that up. Put that over here on the stove and set it for, you want to put that on high and let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. So let's just wait on that. Okay, well that's cooking. We're going to make the sauce. I like to use a Classico sun-dried tomato sauce. Okay. Now, you're just going to want a little, tablespoon of that. Here we go. Just put it in there. Okay, that's perfect. Just perfect. Now, you just put just a dash of milk. There we go. Okay. Now you're going to mix that together. Makes a nice, creamy, sun-dried tomato sauce. And that's basically going to be your sauce for spaghetti. Yeah, it's great. Just great. Okay, let's go check out our noodles. Okay, now we're going to add the noodles. So we're going to use my spaghetti measurer for one person. Okay, we're only going to want about that much of spaghetti. Okay. You're going to put that into the boiling water and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay. Sometimes I get a little hungry when I'm cooking, so I ate some crackers. Now those are pretty much done. Well, they are done. So we're just going to want to strain this. Yeah. Just give that a little bit of a strain. Just a little strain. Sorry about my kitchen. Again, I had friends over. Just a little bit more straining. Okay, that's good. Put that back in there. Okay. Now let's get our sauce. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients, you're going to want to, let me get my fork, you're going to want to put that noodles into the bowl, as you do. There you go. Perfect. And then add the sauce that we made prior to the noodles. That's great, that's great. Okay, now you mix that up. Now you have a nice light dinner of my own recipe, Pasta Primavera. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Charlie. See you later. My dad taught me how to cook just before he died. I'll never be as good as him.